boy Jamaican Mixmaster. I know it's been a long time I haven't been here, but guess what? I'm coming with another episode drink. For all my fans, I know you've been waiting, but yes, you know it's the Blue Lagoon we're gonna come back with. Blue Lagoon is temporarily closed for now, but we're gonna work our way from there to make it here. For all the persons who didn't get a chance to see it, now I'm gonna come with a new drink for the Blue Lagoon. Stay tuned. One is a more detailed video. You know, at the Blue Lagoon it was not fully detailed, but now it's a more detailed. So guess what, guys? Stay tuned for it. Mixmaster is coming with it. Okay, guys, we start out with some Blue Lagoon. So guess what? This is a blue Curaçao for all the people who have never seen it. So we use 1 shot of blue Curaçao. This is a very simple drink. We use some vodka, any vodka of your choice. You could use rum bar, Tito's, anything you want to use, Absolute. But I'm using the Jamaican product, rum bar. It has a flavor to it as well. Any flavor, vodka you want to use. Also we have Cocoa Mania. So I'm using half a shot. You could put any amount of shot you want, but this is just 1 drink. We put in some lemon juice. And if it's not blue enough, you could add more blue to it. I'm not going to add some ice. Ice, baby. A little extra blue to it, and then I'm going to give it a nice gentle shake. This is a very great drink, very tropical, very nice. So what I do now, you could just top it off with some Sprite. Some people use ginger ale, but Sprite is better to use. And there you have it, Blue Lagoon with a blue straw. Let's go over to the display. Tasty. I'm gonna have some. Yeah, very nice, refreshing, very tropical. This is the Jamaican Mixmaster. Stay tuned for next week. We're coming out with another shot of drink.